Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Ragu Laminator. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this Ragu Laminator. I purchased this laminator to laminate some of my recipes, enrich our life. First off, you can see the laminator. Here's the little laminating paper. You get the big ones, and you get a few small ones in there just to start off. You had a satisfaction and a frustrated card. It says to receive a gift, how to get it, how you can email them. There's a few things on the inside. This is your hole puncher. So if you want to make key rings off of pictures, this is what you'd use, this hole puncher. And this is an edge cutter. So if you want to make the sharp edge into more of a round edge, this is what you would use to sharpen it up and cut them. Not sharpen them up, but just cut it. These are good for gift cards. Here is your instruction manual. This will tell you about their warranty, their tips and safety, the parts, paper cutter, corner rounder, cleaning and materials. This basically tells you how to use this. And here's some technical information on the weight, the size, the model, the voltage. And you have your warning section. Here is a little key rings. Like I said, if you want to make pictures, you can use them as key rings. And this is the laminator. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on and I can show you it in action. This is where you would input your item that you want to be laminated. On the back side is where it comes out. At the top, if you have extra paper, it'll cut it. There's your power button. You can see that it's lightweight and thin. That's where it comes out. This is a standard 110 plug. So now that it is on and plugged in, I'm going to push the power button on. It is digital. And it says to wait 1 minute for it to heat up, because it uses the heating to laminate your items. So I have a recipe card. I'm just going to put it in here and let it laminate. And there it comes out the back side. Now I'm going to go ahead and trim the excess paper off. There's a little trimmer at the top. You just put it where you want it. You got to push it down and slide it. Now we're going to trim the other top off. Push down, slide.